So the chapter 24, these are the questions, different questions for the chapter 24. The question number 1, the possession date in a standard form contract of purchase sale is, highlight the word possession date. So what is the possession date?
The day you buy.
When you know, not the day you buy, when you get the possession of the property, when the buyer get the possession of property. The number 1, the date on which the purchaser takes vacant possession of the property subject to any existing tenancy agreement. Subject to existing tenancy, for example, have bought a house, there are already 2 tenants there, right? And I'm also getting the tenant along with the house. That's okay. I'm getting the vacant possession upstairs, and the downstairs I'm having the tenants. Or I'm getting the possession absolutely vacant. So whatever you write in the subject, that's what you get. Okay. So possession means the date which the purchaser gets the vacant possession. Okay. So number A. Then the next 4 questions are based on the following facts. So highlight. Veronica has agreed to sell her home to Patty for 75,900. So highlight Veronica. Who's Veronica? She's a seller. So highlight sell. Highlight 75,900. Okay. Okay. And the completion and adjustment date is set at November 4th. So highlight November 14th. So when is the completion date is November. When is the adjustment date is tax adjustment is also November 14th. Same. The commission payable by Victoria is how much? 7%. So highlight commission, highlight 7% of the selling price. Patty has made a deposit of how much? $2,000. So highlight Patty is a buyer and deposit she is getting 2,000, which the real estate broker has passed to Patty's lawyer to be deposited in a trust account until the completion date. Where the money is going? Into the trust account. Into the solid trust account. Veronica has agreed to accept Patty's diamond ring as a part payment. Highlight diamond ring as a part payment. $7,500 value. Okay. So she's giving $7,500, as a form of a ring. Patty is borrowing $65,000 from Band of Dad as a first mortgage. So highlight $65,000 as a first mortgage from Dad's band, right? Veronica paid the current year property taxes on the date they were due in the amount of highlight taxes. Veronica paid how much? $896. I already highlighted, right? Patty's lawyer will charge $600. Highlight $600 legal fee for Patty. Veronica will be paying out a judgment registered against the title. Somebody sued her and there's a judgment against the title. Judgment, right? It's a kind of notice placed on the title. How much is that? 6225. So basically she has to pay how much? 6,225. Highlight judgment. Highlight 6225. To remove it, it will cost her how much? $85. It will cost the charge. Highlight 85. She's depending on Patty's lawyer to handle the transaction for her. Okay. So if you go to the next page, right? If you go to the next page of your questions, right? Right? You see everything is there, right? Solved for you. You see on the Veronica side, right? You see the Veronica side? You see sale price is how much? 75,900. 7% commission of 7% is 5313. Highlight, right? So this is a debit, right? It's a debit to seller, right? So seller is going out of the seller's pocket, right?
Yeah.
So this is a debit, right here is a credit. She's selling 75,900. Then judgment was how much? 6225. Then the legal fee was $85 to release the judgment, right? Then on the right side is a tax adjustment, which you don't know how to do it, right? Which I'm going to show you. And then 64,394, right, is the money she's going to receive. She's selling for 75,900, right? So minus 5313 minus 6225 minus 85, right? So you will find this amount, right? And plus 117. So 170 she's getting the credit. Why she's getting credit? Because when is she selling? She's selling on which date? November 14, right? If you look at when did she sell it? November 14. So it means she has already paid the taxes, right? From November 14 to December 31st. How many days? 47 days or 48 days number, right? Whatever number days are. It's 48 days, right? So formula to calculate taxes is 48 divided by 365. Multiply is there. If you look on the petty side, now look at the petty is the buyer, right? On the same page. It says purchase price how much? 75,900, right? It says taxes 117.83. From where it came? It says from November 14 to December 31st, 48 days, right?
Yeah.
Divided by 365. How much Veronica paid? 896 altogether, right? If you look at the sum, 896 she paid, right? Right? For whole year. But how many days left? 48. 48 divided by 365 multiply 896 equal to, you found $117.83. So 170.83 cents, who's gonna pay? The buyer, right? So the buyer is gonna live. Buyer is gonna be debited and the seller is gonna be credited. You understand, right? So, and then how much the buyer is gonna pay? The conveyancing fees, $600 for transferring the title, right, to a lawyer. So you write $600 debit, right? So you add all of these, 76617 is gonna cost the buyer, right? Not only 75,900 plus all other costs, right? And then out of that, what is she's getting a credit? $2,000 she paid a deposit, right, in the beginning. That's a credit. $7,500 ring, right? She gave a ring, right? That's a credit. And $65,000 she's getting a loan, right?
Yeah.
First mortgage, right? That's a credit. So you add all together, right? And 2117 balance due to complete. How much she needs more?
2,117.
Yeah, yeah. You have to 76617. You minus 2,000 minus 7,500 minus $65,000. You get 2117.83, right? That is the cash she needs from a pocket to pay to complete the deal, right? So now you can do the sums. So they ask you the question number 2. If you look at the question number 2, right? Patty's share of the year's property tax will appear on the vendor's statement of adjustment, right? From November 14 to December 31st. How many days? 48 days. Formula 48 by 365 multiply 896, 11783, right? So they ask you how much the Patty is gonna pay, right? How much Patty is gonna be? How much Patty is gonna show on the vendor statement? Seller is gonna get a credit, right? How much credit the vendor is gonna get? $117.83. Do you understand? Sunny, do you know how did you get it? Right? Yeah, 48 divided by 365 multiply 896.